In this video, I am going to show you how to configure description on switch interface. So here you can see on my screen uh, that a PC, one server, one laptop, and one printer is connected. So we are going to configure the descriptions. So open your switch and go to the configuration, global configuration mode. The modes I have already covered in the previous video. So to set the description, you can go to the interface, like interface FA0 by 1, and you can use the description keyword, and you can type any text like if we put the question mark button, then it say you can type up to 240 character describing this interface. So using the description is useful whenever someone is new to the network environment. So he will come to know what devices are connected to which port. So if you configure the description, it will help the newcomer as well as experienced administrator, because sometimes we want to know which device is connected to which port, so description helps. So I will type connected PC, then save. It will also will be visible on show running config and show startup config. So here if someone is introduced to only the running show running config, he will find that interface FA0 by 1 is connected to PC. So you can configure it for every interface like FA0 by 2 with the description keyword and so in this way you can configure the description on Cisco switch. Thanks for watching.